Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. I'm going to briefly explain why I think the cold air is coming. You have this blocking. I'm going to try to highlight this with this computer here, but you see all this red up here. You have Alaska over here, Greenland over here. It's kind of hard to see it because of the dark reds are covering the countries, but the GFS showing the same type of blocking. Alaska here, Greenland here. It's got a little bit further west to Greenland, or east rather of Greenland. It doesn't quite carry the bridge over like the European does here. It has the warm here and the warm here, and then it just filters the cold straight down between the two blocking patterns. Either way, either pattern's a very cold pattern. When you get setups like this, the cold air is nowhere else to go but south into the lower 48. So we'll see if the typical patterns, this typical pattern, it usually yields very cold air happens. It should happen. I believe it will. The next map I'm going to show you, it's just a quick, this is an 850 temperature chart showing a lot of dark purples. That's from the result of that blocking pattern up in here. You can see that all this warm here, it just brings the cold air straight down into our area. And then actual the 2 meter temp anomaly shows us with this about 15 degrees Celsius below normal. So that is a colder pattern. You can see most of the nation is in the icebox by Friday, January 5th. This is at midnight Friday night, but you can see the only area is warmer than average, of course, is Florida, who's been basking in summer for the last who knows long forever, and a little bit up in the northeast in Maine. But if I take this out a couple more frames, you'll see even those areas in Maine, the whole country gets below normal. You just keep looking at the cold day: 10, 10 and a half, 11, 11 and a half, 12, 12 and a half, 13, 13 and a half, 14, come on, 15. You see a little bit of temperatures pop, and then 16. The GFS thinks the ridge is coming back, but if it does, days 15 and 16 are a little bit milder than average. But you could see what's looming up here come straight back down again. So it's going to be a colder, a more persistent colder pattern, and I'm not even believing that this day 16 is right anyway. So anyway, I just want to touch on that. Hopefully that helps explain things a little bit better than the blog, but it is, I tried to detail it out as best as I could on the blog. So anyways, everybody have a great day, and I'll be back soon with any more updates if anything changes.